What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Mr. G from Friends for Life Discord. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to play small caps in after hours pre-market. This is the easiest way and this is the best way in my opinion. First of all, you need to open up your watches, right? For me, I have a momentum watches. It tells me what stocks are moving in after hours and in market hours. So for example, if you want to see, I don't know, let's see, we want to see this stock. It's on top of my watches, right? With a 9% move. No, wait, I see more, yeah. Okay, so this one, for example, right? This is only an example. For me, right now I'm seeing it above this area of value, which is 19 cents. Right now it's pushing above my 200 exponential moving average and above my 200 moving average. So as you guys can see, we have a whole bunch of space, right? All this is space right here. And that should be your first target, 43 cents. If we break above, there's a chance we test 67 cents or the top of this indicator, right? If we test that, that should be your second price target. In order for you to be profitable, you need to put a stop right here. Don't let it go below here. Because if you let it go below, this indicator tells you that there's some more space to fall, more room to fall. But at the moment we're holding this line, we're holding here, and we're breaking the 200 exponential moving average and exponential average. So we could potentially see a push to 43 cents. And if you want to see some sort of confirmation, you jump into, yes, the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart is telling you right now that in fact we have some area to push to 43 cents. So there's some sort of confirmation. We're going to test this high over here that happened on 2 weeks ago, I think. Yeah. And then that red line that we had over here in our 1 minute is basically this, right? That it's going to fall back and test 24 cents, 23 cents. Which if we go back to our 1 minute, it's exactly close enough to this area. So that's one example. Another example is, let's say right now, today, I was in graduation with the kids. If I came back and I see the stock that's at the top, on very top of my scanner, I would pick LICN, right? So LICN, this is what I will play LICN, right? In the 1 minute. If I see this thing holding, again, 200, 200, both of these are 200, exponential moving average and moving average. If I see it break 748 and start trading like this, I would surely jump in, let's say with 10 shares, 20 shares, and see if it can push all the way to this line because there's no space here. All the way to 10, 10.04. So that should be a price target right now if it does push to 10.04. And again, if you want to see some sort of confirmation, we open up our 4-hour chart. And again, easy peasy chart. We hold 690. We push to 1059. 200 exponential moving average, or also test the 950 area right here. So if you want to play 10 shares, you're gonna risk about $10 because we're trading about at 750. And then again, if we push all the way to 10, you're making already about 30 bucks. And if this happens in 1 hour, you're now making $30 an hour. That makes sense. And your risk over here should be this moving average right here. I think it's VWAP. Yeah, that's VWAP at 690. So if we lose VWAP, well, we're gonna follow what we hear right next, bottom support. But that's pretty much how professionals, stock traders trade. The easiest way around it, play the 1 minute, and to confirm, make a confirmation, just go to the 4. And this is for small caps. It also works sometimes on large caps like NVIDIA, Tesla, even the SPY. And also you can also check your short float, your relative volume, your ATR volatility. That also helps you identify if this is going to push higher. Even on your float menu, just check to see the float on your stock. And that's how I play the small caps when I'm in a hurry, or even sometimes when I see momentum pulling up in my watch list. This is my scanners. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 scanners. This one I use it in market hours. This one extended hours, of course, also market hours. And this one pops in both market hours and extended hours. And this question is related to D over here. Where's D? Where's D? Where's D? Right here. Well, let me add him. Let me add it. D. I made a video just for you. Just for you. Right. We got it on Discord today. Alright, but yeah, that's the easiest way around playing small caps. The most profitable way. But again, play small. Play small. That's accumulate those little gains. Try to make a 30 an hour, 20 an hour, things like that. Right. At the end of the day, you should be getting about 100, 200 bucks, give or take. I know in a hard place it real tough, right? He goes all in. Alright, see you guys on Discord. Ciao.